What's up guys, hello everyone, welcome to another exciting video on Trading Kernel. In this video I would walk you through on how to install and set up the NASDAQ Ghost Platinum EA on your MT4 for the NASDAQ and EURUSD securities. At Trading Kernel, we provide you with optimized and profitable experts and systems that could help you get started with automated trading. So if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. So guys, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing you need to do is to visit tradingkernel.com. okay. I'll be dropping this link in the description below, so you don't have to worry about the link. Okay, so I'm going to go to my accounts and go to my dashboard. Okay, I have already purchased this EA, but if you have not, it's no worries, it's just $25 only. You can purchase this only at tradingkernel.com. I'm going to be also dropping a link in the description for that. Okay, I'm going to go to my dashboard. Okay, so once that's loaded up, I'm going to go to my downloads. Okay, so you can see on my downloads I have a lifetime of the NASDAQ Ghost Platinum EA. Okay, so I'm going to download this quickly. So once I click on that, I have it downloaded. Okay, so I'm just going to open it on, I'm going to show it in my folders. Alright, so I'm also going to create a new folder here. I'm going to tell you why in a minute. Okay, so now I've created a new folder. We're going to drag this zip file we just downloaded to our folder, and now we're going to extract our zip file here. Okay, so now we've extracted our zip file. We have our NASDAQ Ghost Platinum folder here. Okay, so now we have our folders here. We have the experts folder, we have the library folder, and we also have the optimized set files. Now the reason why I said you should purchase this EA from Trading Kernel Hub is because of these optimized set files. Okay, so these optimized set files have been optimized for NASDAQ and EURUSD as well. Okay, so let's move on to our terminal over here. I have an ECN MT4 account. Okay, so it's very essential for you to use an ECN account. It's very essential because they are usually raw spreads. Okay, and you get charged a commission. So I'm going to show you. We're going to go to our file and go to our data folder. Okay, so once we do that here, we're also going to open the other folder we had previously. Okay, so let's cancel out some of these. Yeah, so we're going to go to our downloads folder here. Okay, we're going to minimize this here. We're going to go to the folder we had previously. Okay, so let's go to our experts folder here. We copy our expert file, and then we go to our experts file over here, and then we paste it here. Okay, and then the next thing we need to do is to go to our libraries over here. We copy the file from here, and then we go to our libraries over here, and then we paste that file in here. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to go to our optimized set files. I'm just going to copy all of these. Okay, copy all of these, go to my MKL4, go to my presets. Okay, and then I'm going to paste this over here. Okay, so now we have all of this here. All right, so I'm just going to cancel out of here. I'm going to cancel out of here as well. Okay, I'm going to cancel out of here, and I'm going to open my navigator. Okay, so make sure automated trading is activated on your terminal. Okay, if it's not, just go to your tools, go to your options, and make sure you're under the expert advisors tab, and then you click on allow automated trading. Okay, you can also click on this, it's optional, but you can also read it to understand what it says. Okay, disable automated trading when the account has been changed. Okay, so if you tick on it, it's your choice. Okay, you can also make sure you also click on allow DLL imports and allow requested. Okay, so we're going to click on OK for that. Let's go to expert advisors. Okay, I'm going to refresh this section over here, and you can see that the NASDAQ Ghost robots is shown here. Okay, so all we just need to do is to drag that to the screen, and then we're going to load our set file. Okay, so let's load our set file. we are loading our set file for EURUSD. Okay, I'm going to load the one for the $1,000. Okay, I'm going to click on that, click on 1 month forward test, and click on open. So our set file is open. I'm going to click on OK.
Welcome to the NASDAQ Ghost Robot. Plug and play.
Alright, so you can see our NASDAQ EA has currently loaded up on the EURUSD. Okay, so the next one we are going to do is for the NASDAQ as well. Okay, so I'm just going to go to our navigator. I'm going to remove this expert for now. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to set our template to default. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this section over here. I'm going to go to my symbols, and I'm going to load the NASDAQ as well. Okay, so now we have the NASDAQ loaded up. All we just need to do as well is to drag the NASDAQ ghost here. Okay, so once we do that, we load our expert set file, okay, for the NASDAQ default. Okay, once we do that, we open it and then we say okay.
Welcome to the NASDAQ Ghost Robot. Plug and play.
Alright, so you can see it has also loaded up as well. Okay, so we have our close all where we can close all our trades. We have our delete all where we can also delete all our trades. We have our stop loss, we have our take profit, we have our delete stop loss, change stop loss, and change take profit as well. Okay, so it's up to you. You can also hover across it to see what they mean. Okay, hover across it to see all they mean. Okay, we have currently optimized set files for NASDAQ, EURUSD, and gold. These are the current currencies that are supported to trade on with this expert advisor in order to ensure the most profitable results. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, kindly reach out to us at support@tradingkernel.com. I will be more than happy to answer to you. Alright guys, bye for now. I'll see you in the next video.